Ready Robotics is a brand-agnostic programming platform that allows users to program a wide variety of industrial robots. At GennFlex, we use this system to create a simple machine tending operation between a Yaskawa robot and a Centroid-controlled router. With all of these platforms working in tandem on one cart, the robot picks up a bottle opener, places it in the fixture, and actuates the vise. A signal is then sent to start the router operation, and the chosen design is engraved into the surface of the card. This modular setup of our platform is a safe and easy way to learn how to properly program a full machine tending operation. Companies can use this in workforce development, while educators will be able to teach real-world applications in automation design. After the engraving process is complete, the vise opens, the robot picks up the finished product and places it in the outgoing parts pile.